Hello everyone, it's Winona, the left-handed beater, and welcome back. I've got something a little bit different for you today, and if it doesn't interest you, you don't have to watch the video. I was approached by a company that sells cross-stitch, and I do cross-stitch. Actually, I put it to the side for a lot of years, and I just picked it up again recently. And this company contacted me and asked me they would send me product if I did a video of the unboxing, so that's what I'm doing today. And please note there is a discount code. I'm just gonna look at my iPad here. There's a 7% discount code, and I'll try to put it across the screen here. I'm not very good at that. I was able to put it down here before, so maybe that's what I'll do, is I'll put it down here. But it'll be in the description, as well as links to the company and links to the products that I received. So let's get on with this. I'm excited. I haven't opened these. These have been here for like 3 days, and I've opened the package, but I haven't opened the individual kits. They're different for me. I normally do cross stitch, counted cross stitch, and these are printed on the canvas, and they're also 11 count, so that means you do three strands of thread instead of the 2 I usually do, or the 1 depending on what I'm working on. But I thought they'd also, because they're color coded, they might be a little bit easier for me to do. And I see I have to open this. It doesn't look like it has a little what am I trying to say? You know, those fold over. Oh, it does. Yeah, where it's folded over and glued so I can reseal it. I'm anxious to try these. I'm going to try to start setting some time in the evenings for stitching, because I don't do much in the evenings. But anyway, this was the first one I chose. I love that butterfly. It's so beautiful. So, okay, you get a picture. You get, whoa, that's bright, hey? But you get a chart, and the nice thing about the chart is it goes in 10s. So it's easier to count, but it's also colored, so I guess that wouldn't matter. And then it's got the legend over here. Let's hope, oh, and the skeins are marked. Well, isn't that great? So you get all the skeins, and they're marked with the numbers. Oh, I just bought a kit, and I'm trying to figure out what colors are what, and oh man, I can't figure it out. I'm missing one color in that kit. So anyway, we've got that, and then we've got this butterfly, and I'll probably do on my other channel, I'll probably do what do they call them, floss tubes, where I show you what I've been working on. And I think that's how I'm going to do that other channel. I'm not going to do like how-to videos unless I get a following and they request that. I think I'll just do once a month or so, show you what I've been working on in my other crafts besides my beading. So anyway, I'm anxious to start this butterfly. I think it'll stitch up fast because you don't have to count, and you've got that legend. And although it looks like, oh my goodness, how am I ever going to follow that? Well, you don't really need to follow this, because you just need to focus in on that area right here. And I see that's got this bar across it. And it's pink. And why can't I find it over here? Oh, there it is, I think. So I use number 17. And then we just go here and find number 17. And that's the color that goes there. So we'll see. So that's the first one I got, I should say. I'll just put it to the side. Then, of course, Nova was with me the weekend when I finally chose what I wanted. And they're very inexpensive. Oh, I meant to do that, actually. So the Tinkerbell, okay, let's go to my cart. So this heart, oh, it was a little more expensive. It was $10.16, but that's not bad. My entire order, if I had purchased, came to $26.96. And I think if I like this, you can also buy them different counts, and you can also buy them without it printed on, with just the instructions. Well, this here, I guess. And then you count it all out. But I kind of like that it's printed. We'll see. And then we've got some instructions for cross stitch, if you're new. Oh, look at the colors. These are numbered, but it's very lightly numbered. Oh, I see we've got 2. I like these. And there we've got Tinkerbell. So we'll see. And it says it's 11 count and use 3 strands to stitch. So that might be a little bit easier on my eyes. Oh, I just noticed something. You see how this is got, oh, here's your needles too. This goes to 10. That's this little square here, right? So you can, it's easy to follow. I think this should be fabulous. I think I might have to put my other cross stitch to the side for a while and do some of these up. And then this last one is kind of funny because ever since Nova was born, I've said to her, I love you to the moon and back when we leave. And sometimes she'll say, I love you to the sun and back, or I love you to space and back. And she also, I use a CPAP machine. I have a mild case of sleep apnea, but more than anything, I get so congested at night, and I find that the machine really helps with that. And when she stays here, we stay in the same room. So she sees me put the CPAP mask on my nose. It's just a little pad that fits under your nose. Anyway, she said to me one night, Grandma, you look kind of like a elephant. So when I saw this, I said to Nova, we have to get that, because I always say I love you to the moon and back, and you tell me I look like an elephant. So we picked this one up. Oh, this is a big one. So this is huge. I can't even show you it all on here. But you don't stitch everything, I don't think. No. And I don't know if I'm sold on that. I do kind of like doing cross stitch. Well, I guess I don't. I do cross stitch where I leave that. There's places that aren't stitched. What am I saying? So anyway, yeah, I'm pretty excited. So, this company is called VIPCrossStitch. I think that's what it's called. Let me just go to the home page. I guess they just call it cross stitch. They have some really neat stuff, and you get free shipping over $50, and it's tax-free, and they'll customize things. But they got really, if you're into fairies, if you're in, I should just show you this. If you're into Harry Potter, oh, I shouldn't show you that. My thing is so messed up. But here's an 18 count, 40 by 40 centimeters. Let's do a quick view of that. Isn't that pretty? A girl in the owl. And here they show it framed on a wall. It's a nice piece. So yes, I do think I will order from these. Again, it depends how I like stitching with 3x3 and how good it covers. But right now I'm sold. I think this is excellent, and it's fairly reasonably priced. I like the fantasy characters. Well, I like so much. That's my problem. But isn't that little girl cute? And then you hang it up on the wall. And this is $15.47. Oh, look at this. This is $15.47. And like I said, I have a coupon code that gets you 7% off, I believe. But they also have coupons. You buy 2, you get 1 free. You can't go wrong. And it came really quickly. And there, it's got instructions for if you need instructions. It tells it doesn't contain the frame. I think this is heavy enough that you could actually cross stitch without it in a frame. I think it would be okay. But anyway, that's it for today. Check them out. Check the links below. And yes, thank you very much for contacting me. And I'm going to love playing with these. I might even, well, I have to do one more video today. And then I might just stop for the day and sit and stitch. I think that, well, maybe I should, that would get me up after, I don't know. I'm actually so excited I can't even think of what I'm going to do. So anyway, check them out. If you like cross stitch, use the discount code. Their site is, there's so much stuff on their site. I'm sure you find something you like. Okay, wish you lots of love and happiness until we meet again. Take care, my friends. Bye-bye.